So as in any other region, there's also a craze for agrofuels in Asia, and this is not a comprehensive list of what's happening in Asia. So I just picked out some interesting figures to give you an idea of how fast the craze is in Asia. So I'll go first in Thailand. Currently, we're seeing a 12% increase in cassava plantation from 2005 to 2007. The figure states that there is now an expansion of cassava plantation to 1.2 million hectares for ethanol production. Ethanol project totals $2 billion in 2007. This is according to Thailand's Board of Investment. And currently, Thailand has approved the construction of 5 ethanol processing plants, approved at a combined value of $500 million. Similarly, in other countries, like in Laos, there is commitment for 30,000 to 50,000 hectares of land for cassava under a contract farming scheme with farmers. And commitment with CP, this is Citron Pakphon. This is a company in Thailand to produce a biomass of 1 million tons of corn for ethanol production, which will be committing around 100,000 hectares for corn. In Malaysia, we're seeing a massive expansion of oil palm from 2 million hectares in 2000 to 4.2 million hectares in 2007. All the recent expansion for oil biodiesel production. Same story in Indonesia, from around 500,000 hectares in the mid-1980s. We have about 6 million hectares by 2007, all for biofuel consumption.